Nestled in the rolling hills of south-central PA is the heart of Pennsylvania Dutch country. Home to one of the largest Amish communities in the United States, the nearly 1,000 square mile area of sprawling farmland is the epicenter of a culture steeped in faith and tradition. It's a land where two worlds collide, where today touches history. Turn back the clock, slow down, and enjoy a day in Amish country. Join us on our next Amish countryside bus tour as we journey the back roads of America's garden spot and explore the world-famous Amish countryside. Keep your cameras ready, as you'll have opportunities to see Amish one-room schools, historic homes and barns, picturesque Amish farms, buggies, and so much more. You may even encounter the centuries-old tradition of Amish working in their fields using real horsepower. Learn more about the Amish lifestyle and meet Lancaster's living heritage during stops at a quaint Amish roadside stand when open. Experience true local flavor as you sample delicious homemade baked goods, fresh ice cream, or cold homemade root beer. Browse the wide selection of local crafts and quilts, all made right here in Lancaster County. You'll get a taste of the real Lancaster County as you see and learn about the fascinating life of Lancaster's Amish people while creating memories that will last a lifetime. Come explore the garden spot of America, a land where today touches history. Come experience Lancaster's living heritage. Come visit the Amish Farm and House.